Hello everyone, today we're gonna unpack this Panini NBA Hoops 2017-18. This is the blaster box, comes with the inserts and randomly the autograph and the jersey cards though. This box comes with 11 packs, 8 cards per pack though. Let's open it right now. So 11 packs here. Let's open the first one. First card, Brook Lopez, CJ McCollum, Chick Dalio, Vinsanity, Paul Zipper, number 249, Russell Westbrook, and RC of Bam Adebayo of the Miami Heat, and future Laker Leonard. Chris Levert, Jeff Teague, Victor Oladipo, Salamajiri, insert of Zero Gravity of Spurs, DeMar DeRozan, rookie card of Tyler Lendon, RC of Derek White, and D Rose. Carmelo, Chris Paul, Kemba, Gary Harris, a blue border of Efren Payton. Good thing he cut his hair right now. Klay Thompson, Marcus Morris, and Kobe. Nope, not numbered. Willie Stein, LaMarcus Aldridge, Terrence Ross, James Johnson, and then insert lights, camera, action. RC of Frank Mason, New Orleans Julius Randle, Ivan Rep, RC. This one looks heavy though. Hopefully looks like a jersey though. Looks heavy, you can tell though. Steven Adams, Stanley Johnson, RCL Wayne Sheldon Jr. Okay. Josh Richardson, rookie jersey. Okay, this is what I want. Lonzo Ball. Very good. I'm happy. Jeff Green, Dennis Smith, RC, and Tyler Dorsey. Good sound though. That one is heavy. Let us see if I can get more. That's it. Kyle Lowry, Jen Henson, Frank Kaminsky, Etwan Moore, blue border of Nikola Jokic, Marcus Smart, Jay Crowder, and Kevin Durant. Joseph Nurkic, Joe Harris, Kent Bazemore, Domantas Sabonis, Shaq, NBA Hoops, NBA 2K, Shaquille, JJ Redick, Larry Nance, and Jaylen Brown. Taj Gibson, Kristaps Porzingis, George Hill, Nicholas Batum, and SWAT team Marc Gasol. I wish it was before though. The inserter just look normal right now, unlike before. Kobe tribute. Good. Josh Jackson RC. Very nice. Okay. This box is good RCs though. I'm happy with the outcome with this one. Okay. Look like Ubute. Devin Booker. Will Barton. DJ Agustin, and 2K18 Shaquille O'Neal. Shiny though. Not numbered. DJ Wilson, Brook Lopez, Luke Kennard. I wish that was Marco also. Okay. Next one. Tony Parker. Enes Kanter. Markieff Morris. Tobias Harris. Harrison Barnes, blue border. OG Anunoby. Draymond Green. Mr. Baines. Last one. Last one. Jonas Valanciunas. Michael Beasley. Mr. Tyreek Evans. Kill Gilchrist, and then Faces of the Future, Terrence Ferguson. Rookie card of Thomas Bryant, Kobe tribute, and the RC card of Sterling Brown. I think the highlight for this one is OG. It depends. Has a potential though. Josh Jackson, Dennis Smith, and then RC. So the highlight is Paul Zipper, number 249. Josh Richardson, jersey. I was hoping the rookie jersey though. Class of 17, Lonzo Ball, Dennis Smith, and Mr. Josh Jackson. Thanks for watching.